So the traffic is back. Well, to be honest, it
We never go nowhere.
But now that school is back in session, the morning and mid-afternoon hours are spent in bumper-to-bumper commutes. Okay. And the driving comes pet peeves. So we're going to go through a few of the popular ones.
Your hat fit your head?
No, but
Mine is
look like
dropping
that,
down.
Gable.
Cousin. All right.
All right, drivers who stop to chat with other drivers. And you mean, and hold up traffic?
By drivers, you mean taxi men, right?
Me not like that one there.
Because, when did I see this? Last week.
See what?
Two taxi men stop in the middle of the road. There's traffic behind them, and they're talking. And the people behind them are blowing them. And you know what they did to the people? What do you think?
Tell them about
Okay.
them family.
Okay, so definitely,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah, we're
stop
not into that. I don't buy that.
We're not feeling that.
Motorcyclists who race down the middle of a lane between cars. That scare me actually. Because if somebody just open them car door for whatever reason, that kind of scary.
So motorcycles are to obey the road code in that they are to drive in front of or behind regular cars, like operate in the same way that a regular car would operate.
Yeah, but if they
This is not
overtake,
working.
they
But
can't
what-
overtake in the same lane.
Overtake in the same lane.
In other words, so
Well,
you
they're
have
not to undertake.
you have a 3-lane, right?
Yeah,
So I'm here,
yeah.
and the white line is here, and the motorcycle passed me here.
No, they're not supposed to do that. That's not a lane.
No, them don't come out of the lane. You understand me? I say,
They're
Sheffield?
supposed to be back of you and they can overtake, but that they're using the white line as a lane, and it's very dangerous. Or they're undertaking. So sometimes you make a maneuver as a motorist. Them days here, if you can't really drive, you know.
I'm serious, you know, it scare me, you know. This really not work for you.
It's true. That's why I took
It
off
scare
now.
me, you know. But I'm saying, and I'm being very serious. I'm asking if they are doing anything wrong. If this is the lane and my car is here, and then pass me here in the lane, is that wrong? I'm asking the
If they pass
question.
it is one thing. If they overtake it, that's one thing. But there are some of them who use that middle line, the white line, as a lane.
No.
And they dilly in and out of traffic.
No, I know that is wrong.
Yeah, they're not supposed to. That's not right. But the cars
I'm
do
not
the
certain
same
if
thing, but
anybody
the one is
understands
about,
what I am asking.
No,
still.
chef, but this is about, well, the cars can't do the same thing that motorcycles do because the lane is not wide enough for them to drive in. Of course, you have cars that dilly-dally in and out, but I'm talking about the bike men who, if you are making a maneuver to come out, they could easily get...
No, it scare me. I mean, and I see them come hard and it scare me.
And
So,
most
me
of
I'll
them
put
who
that-
do
me I'll put
that have
yeah.
on no helmets.
Yeah, me I'll put that. Well,
Makes
that one
it worse.
definitely, stop.
So,
Me I'll put that stop for that.
you
All
know.
right. Drivers who won't let you merge. Hold on and a little bit. Because if the driver have the right of way,
I'm going to say...
and I am coming through, I can't vex if him don't want me to come out. Is him have
Yes,
the
never,
right of
but
way?
people cannot be so mean that they see you on a side road and for 5 minutes you sit down there and not one person can stop and give you a
So
blind.
me don't have anywhere to go. It's just you and I have somewhere
I have
to go.
somewhere to go. That's why I would like you to let me out so I can
But
merge.
I have somewhere to go to and I have the right of way, so wait your
but
turn.
if you stop for 45 seconds, as a matter of fact, for 10 seconds
So
to
why
let
you
me
can't
through,
wait your turn?
why can't you let me through?
Why can't you wait your turn?
Why do you have to be so mean?
I don't mean. I am just saying. And then the next thing
If
is when I
you-
don't let you
No,
out
wait,
if you
no.
have the right away. You
No,
cuss me and
no,
properly
I don't
like
have
it's
time
your,
to cuss
it's
you
your
because
have
you
the right
drive
away.
gone. We're going to cuss
No,
you.
them
You're
run me
gone.
down and cuss me. I went to...
So when you are on a side road, if somebody don't stop to let you out, how you come out?
I wait till my turn.
Doesn't somebody have to let you out?
No,
You wait until all the cars
sometimes there's
pass?
a distance. I mean, this
Suppose
car
there's a
pass.
line of traffic that's 2 miles long. Wouldn't you want somebody to just
Oh,
stop?
I would
and let
want
you out?
somebody to let me out. But if them don't let me out, me can't vex because them have the right
I'm not
away.
saying you must vex. I'm just saying that some of us need to be kinder. As a matter of fact, do you know that last week a taxi man cussed me off? Wait, no, let me tell you why. I was coming out of that side road, where's Abbey Court, onto Lady Musgrave, and he stopped to let me out, and I didn't believe it was a real thing because taxi man don't stop and let out nobody. So he stopped, and I think he was stopping to let off somebody or something, so I stayed where I was. My man said, woman, come out that side road, you don't see me again. I was like, oh, sorry, sir. Did not know. Did not know. Not used to it.
I'll find one is if you don't cuss her again.
Okay, next one.
Drivers who speed up when you want to change lanes. Oh, by the way, we didn't put up anything for the driver who don't let you merge.
I don't remember what we did in the last.
I'm not saying stop for that one, because he might be right away, I can't vex if him don't come through. So I'm saying, me good with that one. Drivers who speed up when you want to change lane. So he might drive slow. And as you come beside him, so bad man, him just like, tell him gone, you can't come through. It is foolish to stop. I disagree with that. Stop. Just stop up on that one. Stop.
That's an interesting demonstration. You just,
know that?
Yeah.
You want to see it again?
No. I'm good, thanks. I'm trying to cut down.
What you put up?
I don't know. What are we talking about again?
Drivers who speed up when you want to change lanes.
Those are a problem.
Then where you put go? If it's a problem.
Oh, sorry.
Why you turn it upside down?
It's not upside down. Nice try.
Drivers who don't use their indicators, make me tell you something.
My God, what are you trying to do to the world?
Leave that one right there, something. Make me tell you something, man.
How can you talk? They make it for a reason, right? Just activate it if you, and please, well, after you turn, if your car don't automatically lock it off, right? Just turn it off now, please. Yeah. Because if you are driving, if I'm behind you for 2 miles, and you're always turning, I don't know what's happening. I just don't know what's happening. Indicator is going on right for the
and you don't
5
want
minutes
pass
and you're
because
going
him good
nowhere.
Really and truly I'm going to make a right turn.
You understand? So you don't know.
Where you put on?
I was just... Okay, good. Appreciate your help, sis.
Not a problem. All right.
What's the last one?
We have 2 more.
Oh.
Taking up 2 parking spaces. Remember me tell you.
Jesus have mercy.
Yeah,
can you
remember
please...
me tell you that, man.
No, honest to God, did you miss that section of driving school?
Yeah, remember me tell you.
I don't understand it. Not only that, what about like if you're behind somebody who you
Thank
like
you very much.
Right? And then reverse back and drive forward.
Well, them can't reverse nowhere else but
and
back.
drive forward.
Yeah,
and then they reverse back and then twist the car so.
Sam, I hate to tell you, but the only place them can reverse is back.
And can I tell you something?
Yes, no.
It's usually women.
I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Better
Female
you say
drivers are the worst.
I have nothing to say.
Worst drivers.
The final one. No, females are not the worst drivers.
Female drivers.
Some of them.
No,
but you have some
taxi men are the worst drivers and coaster buses.
Better
but
you
just
say that
tactically, like in terms of the things that will annoy you more than anger you.
Yeah.
Female drivers.
Final one. And I think it's only the taxi people I see this. Drivers who change lanes constantly. So, we're leaving that up here. So, 3 lane. And the 3 away I go so. And a taxi man is in this one. So him just go, whoop. But him not comfortable. He goes, whoop. Still not comfortable. Him goes, whoop, whoop. Before you know it, he make all a
indicator.
He make all a 4th lane before you know it. Me not understand it.
Yeah.
I don't understand it.
You know what they have a habit of doing now? Going to the front of a line of traffic and turning in front of the line of traffic that is going straight. I've never seen...
Or them going the right turn lane, but them not turning right. So them just going the right turn lane, and when the light change, them just whoop and just come back.
Trust me, it is dangerous. Driving on the road now is an extreme sport, guys. You have to be really very careful.
Yeah.
Especially if you have a hard hat that doesn't fit your head.
I still don't figure out the bicycle, the motorbike one still.
Let's read the road code.
I don't get my answer.
Go and refresh your road code reading. I like you.
No,
your outfit though.
Yeah,
nice.
I'm asking, we're going for a break now, but I'm asking if a motorbike can overtake you in your same lane. That's all me ask, and I don't get that answer yet.
Question. What do you mean in the same lane?
Him don't come out. In other words, this is the lane and my car is in the lane, and him pass me in the same lane. On the right. I'm asking if that is...
Yes, he's overtaking.
You know that me I say nobody. That is a question I've been asking.
I answered you 65 minutes ago.
No, you did not. You say use the white line as a lane.
If he overtakes you and goes in front of you, that's fine. If he comes out and stays in the middle of the road, that's a problem. And I'm saying that's where most of them
Well,
ride
if you
as a
come out and
rule.
stay in the middle of
In
the
the
road,
middle of the, in the white, some of them use the white line as their lane.
Yeah, I understand that, but that's not. Anyway.
I'm saying if they come in and if they come out and go back in, that's not a problem. But if they stay in the middle to try and maneuver, then that's a problem.
Sheffield ride bike, him is the only one where I understand.
Well, ask him can tell you.
But him not saying that.
Oh.
Like him don't know the road code. Are the roads...
Stephen. Stephen must know. Come here, Stephen. Let me ask you something.
All right.
Come here, Stephen.
Come here, Steve. Stephen. So, see the lane. This... Is that? Come this way, Steve, because they want to see a handsome face.
Let me be the bike. I'm the bike.
And this is the
You
car.
are the car.
This is the lane. And I am the car, and I go voon,
And I'm the bike, and I come like this.
And pass me. That is illegal?
No,
It's still in the
can't
lane.
be illegal.
No. Wait. Where's the line?
You can't. This is the lane.
This is the lane?
Yeah, one white line here, one white line. Come back, bike lady, please. One white line here, one white line here. This is my car. One white line, the next white line.
Important thing, is it a unbroken line or broken line?
Oh,
Hold on, it don't matter because
No, it does.
We soon
it's
come
not
back.
going outside the
It's
lane.
not going to work out no time soon. No, we soon come.
You know, so I'm not talking to nobody
No,
else.
yeah, never.
I'm done here, man.
See.